Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2025 Hot Wheels Car Culture FPY86 H case. You may ask what the H case is. That is Hot Wheels Off-Road. So we just finished Silhouettes a couple weeks ago. Now we're on to Off-Road. Let's unbox this case. Comes over from Stop Diecast. Thank you again, Stop Diecast, for sending this case over. Obviously, make sure you check out onestopdiecast.com and get your own Hot Wheels Off-Road Car Culture case. All right, hoping to break the Chase Us streak. I don't think I found a Chase in a case since last year Hot Wheels Off-Road, right? So let's just go for it, right? Let's go for the new model in the case, which is the 2024 Land Cruiser, well, Toyota Land Cruiser. So we have the new model here. And the fact that we got two means we did not get the Chase. I mean, you know, as disappointed as I am, it's never a given. So definitely never, I never, you know, take it against any of the distributors, or never, am disappointed in the fact that it's not in there. Obviously, it's a 1 in, you know, X amount of chance of getting a Chase. So what I'm really excited about, though, is that I have a complete set of 5 cars from this series, and 3 of which I collect. So I don't collect this one yet because it's brand new, but I may have to because it is nice. We get the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser in this kind of steel blue. Very similar to, and there's probably a Toyota like color code to this. I do not know what that color is officially, but we did see the 4Runner last year in last year's mix in this color, or at least a very similar blue kind of color. But this is a great casting nonetheless. New casting, gonna add it to the new models list on OrangeTruckDiecast.com. Yeah, and you're getting a look of it at it open on the turntable. Very cool. Great to have that one. Let's get the lone other casting I don't collect, which may surprise you actually, because probably between the Land Cruiser and this one, these are probably the 2 most popular cars, or trucks in this case, in this whole case. And I actually collect the other 3. So, oh, that's cool actually. You see the license plate on this one, right on the card art. Sup, yo? We get the 1987 Toyota pickup truck. So a lot of folks may remember this as the Back to the Future Toyota truck. That's what it debuted as, but we have this version in red now, which is really nice actually looking. It's got this like retro TRD striping kind of, you know, and they do a lot with that in the Toyota vehicles. We saw it just on a Team Transport vehicle in the last mix, but you get this kind of retro-inspired Toyota striping on the 1987 Toyota pickup truck. And, of course, that license plate that you see on the card art is on the actual vehicle. Sup, yo? So, very nice. Second car out of the case, or truck, rather. All right, now we get to the 3 castings that I collect personally. Let me start with the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor in metal flake gold with some crazy Real Rider 10-spoke off beadlock Real Riders, off-road Real Riders, right? Got a little dust in here. All right, so you get the Raptor on the sides. That is I believe that's like the factory Raptor logo. And we did see that when these trucks first started coming out, but I don't think we really see that anymore on the newer trucks. But 2017, that was already 8 years ago, so I think that was still when we were seeing that logo. But yeah, this is nice. I collect, you know, obviously I collect the mainline, the premium, and the RLC ultra premium level of this casting. So very nice. I'm gonna have to do a casting update. Yeah, definitely now that I got this and that I started doing some cutaways in these videos. So that is the 3rd vehicle out of this mix. Next one out of the case, number 3 of 5, we get the Subaru Brat. And if you're from Wisconsin, you'd probably pronounce it Brat, but it is Brat. Subaru Brat. Got the, what is that, Metal Flake light green, right? Yeah. So, and this is actually one of the, oh, it's an interesting choice that the Real Rider turbines are on this one. Very interesting wheel choice there. But this one is actually in, if you remember, if you collected Car Culture back in 2016 when it first debuted, the line debuted, this was in the original truck series, the Subaru Brat. Oh my God, I already said it. You tell I'm from Wisconsin. The Subaru Brat. And it was kind of like a Zamac finish, but now we get it in light green. So, very nice. The last one out of the case, you get the number 205, the Land Rover Defender 90 in yellow. So this is nice to have in yellow. I don't think we've seen it in yellow yet. Got the whole collection of these. This is another one I'm going to have to do a casting collection update. But very nice. Got a sandy background there. Just strolling through the Sahara there in your Land Rover Defender 90. Yeah, this is a great casting. So, just to backtrack, I mean, obviously no chase. Disappointed that, not disappointed that it's not in the case. Disappointed that, obviously, you're going to have to pony up. And this is for anybody, right? This is a general collector mindset. You have to pony up, the 40 to, 90 to whatever it costs to get a chase these days. But I do have 2 full sets, and 1 set I will be sharing with a friend. So, but very nice to have the new casting. Let's bring that back up. The new casting in the Toyota Land Cruiser, and obviously the 3 castings that I collect. Let me know. Let's talk in the comments. What's your favorite out of this mix? Are any of these castings? Do you collect these trucks as well? Let me know, because sometimes it feels like I'm the only one that collects Hot Wheels trucks. You don't see a lot of people doing collections of Hot Wheels trucks these days. More like the sports cars or the heavy hitter castings. Well, you see like the square bodies and stuff like that. But what do you think about these trucks? Let me know. Comments below. Let's talk. And yeah, thank you for watching.